Every bottle begins with the harvest of these golden blooms. Careful hands ensure only the ripest seeds are gathered.
From field to facility, the journey begins.
Every seed carries the promise of pure oil. The facility stands ready to transform nature into nourishment.
Each seed begins its meticulous processing journey.
Impurities are removed to ensure purity of the final oil.
Hulls separated, only the precious kernels move forward.
Every seed carries the promise of pure oil.
The facility welcomes its daily harvest.
Precision in every move ensures efficiency.
The journey from field to factory continues seamlessly.
Careful eyes catch imperfections early. Accurate measurements track every batch.
Stored safely, ready for processing. Cleaning ensures quality from the start.
Skilled hands guide machines with care.
Elevated for efficient flow into processing. Flow is controlled to prevent bottlenecks. Transcription. Shells are separated to reveal the golden core.
Every kernel moves closer to transformation.
Human oversight ensures flawless operation. Gentle heat unlocks the oil within.
The transformation from seed to oil is underway.
Every press is calibrated for perfection. Refinement removes traces of bitterness. Heat and vacuum preserve aroma while removing impurities.
Temperature carefully controlled to maintain quality.
Bleaching brings out the sunflower's true color. And now, the golden liquid begins to flow.
Every liter is tested before it leaves the factory.
Filtering clears every trace of debris. Stored safely, the oil awaits refinement. Refinement transforms raw oil into premium quality.
Careful adjustments ensure flavor and clarity.
Bleaching brings out the sunflower's true color.
Steam and vacuum remove impurities while preserving aroma.
Latinic transcription. Temperature carefully controlled to maintain quality.
Every liter is tested before it leaves the factory.
And now, it begins its journey into every home.
Precision filling ensures every bottle is perfect.
Each label tells the story of quality inside.
Careful packaging keeps every bottle safe.
From factory floor to delivery, the journey continues.
And this is how modern factories produce sunflower oil, from start to finish.
Every drop of golden oil tells a story of care and precision.